Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me. Stampin' Sue Creates here. I am here finally, and I'm singing in praise because I just received my paper pumpkin box, and this is the box for October, which today is October 30th. If I can get this open, October 30th, 2021. Now, let me tell you how fabulous Stampin' Up! Is. So this is a monthly subscription box that Stampin' Up! Puts out every single month. You sign up by the 10th of the month, and then you are billed for it, and then it is shipped out the 11th of the month. Now, my box is still showing up in my local post office since the 19th, the 19th of October. So this week, B and I have not seen it move, and then all of a sudden the tracking was totally gone from mine and my customers. I immediately contacted Stampin' Up! And they apologized for that, and they shipped out all new boxes to myself and my customers. So how fabulous are they? And it was just the other day, and here it is, came priority mail. I do receive 2 subscription boxes, and especially this time of the year, because I know that they're holiday related. Next month, well, the one that you can register for now is super cute 3D snowman items, so they're not always cards. And I'm just very excited to have received it, as are my customers to finally receive theirs, which they should have received it either yesterday, but most likely today. So this is a monthly subscription box. It's $22 a month, and it includes a box full of wonderfulness, if there's such a word. It comes always with a stamp set, and a nice size stamp set. It's photopolymer. When you receive your first subscription box, you will receive a block. Let me see where mine is. And that block you will use for all your upcoming paper pumpkin boxes. It's like this, but not as thick. This is a block that can be purchased through my online store at StampinSueCreates, excuse me, .stampinup.net. But it's like this size, and this size is a D block. So your stamps will never be larger than a D block. But if you like this design with the beveled edges, you can always order all different sizes through my online store. So that comes in your first ever subscription. So once you subscribe, you can opt out if you don't want that month. They kind of give us a little teaser as to what the next month is going to be. So you need to do that by the 10th of the month. Once you sign up, if you do nothing, then they automatically just keep coming and they bill you. If you are one of the kind of people that like to pay one price and keep them coming month after month, then you can choose to do a 3, 6, or 12-month subscription. If you do a 12-month subscription, you qualify for host benefits like you were putting a party in. So, and you save a few dollars as well. But choice is up to you, whether you go month by month or you take the one lump sum, pay for it, you're done. A good time to do that. And I know we just finished up our second celebration for the year, but there's another one coming up in January, is to sign up for Paper Pumpkin or resubmit doing a 12-month subscription during January, February when it's our celebration, because then you earn even more free goodies. So keep that in mind. So anyhow, here is this one is called Peaceful Christmas, October 2021. Got here just in the nick of time. And they sent us we will go over that. And look, oh my gosh, they even have red Christmas wrapping. This goes along with some of our other products, the Peaceful Christmas Sweet Collection in our annual, is it annual or our mini catalog? It's in the mini catalog. I apologize. So the whole collection for that, if you want even more of this and you really enjoy it and you like little cabin stamps, look at the beautiful display of creations that they have. you can put in item number 156277, and that will give you everything in the Peaceful Place Suite collection. And it's really beautiful and something you're definitely going to want to check out. Go to my online store at StampinSueCreates.Stampin.net and check that out. All right, so let's take a look at our stamp set. So we have, and sometimes these are hard for me to read, Merry Christmas, Peaceful Christmas Wishes, Holiday Cheer, From Our House to Yours, To You and Yours, wishing you, wait, let me have to take my glasses off to read that. Wishing you and your family all the best. Oh, it goes this way. Sending you peace and joy all year long. And did I say peaceful Christmas wishes? Merry Christmas. There's some little snowflake designs here. The whole string of trees down here. So real great stamp set. And again, an ink spot, which is basically like our standard spot. So this one is shaded spruce. So let me show you the difference. So this is an ink spot, which is just a little sampling of ink that you can use the re-inkers on that. So you don't have to invest in our classic stamp pads, which is this. Same exact color, same ink refill you use on it. So if maybe you stamp your cards and you're like, wow, I really love that color, you know where to go shop and head on over to StampinSueCreates.Stampin.net and check out Shaded Spruce, our classic Stampin' Pad, along with all the other fantastic colors of ink that we have available. So this is like a pretty package. Oh, and this tissue paper isn't like that cheapy kind that you get at the DT. It's nice and buttery soft. And don't you love the box? They don't always do boxes decorated like this, but it's just so festive. Okay, so let's unwrap our package here and let's see what we have. And my dog may be barking in the background, and I'm going to apologize for that. I'm just listening because I'm expecting FedEx to come and deliver my Misfit Market box today on Saturday. And when they do, she is my, what do I want to call it? My dog bell. Instead of a doorbell, she's my dog bell. Okay, so here it is, the Peaceful Christmas Paper Pumpkin Kit for October 2021. And I've already seen other demonstrators and customers unboxing theirs. And you may have too as well. But maybe you forgot, because they might have gotten theirs super early. You might have forgot what was in it, or maybe you like the way I do my videos. So thank you for coming. Okay, so in this little baggie, it looks like we have some red baker's twine, and we have some glue dots, and these are our Stampin' Dimensionals. Just a small little sheet of those, but they give us what we need, sometimes a little extra. So here on top are the envelopes. Aren't they beautiful with that silver finish? And I think there's 10. Oh my goodness, look at the inside. So right away, if you follow me and you know where I'm going with this, I'm going to be cutting apart these envelopes and using not only the front, but the inside too, because it has that beautiful plaid. Make sure you can see that. Beautiful plaid. So stunning envelopes. And for the envelopes, I would probably either put a label on here, or if you have a white gel pen, but you're probably best off to put a label on there just to make sure. Love that. And then we have some die cuts that say Noel. So it looks like 5 cards are going to have Noel on them. Oh, and then we have some more little dimensionals here. These are some glitter, well, they're not rhinestones, but they're glitter gems. Let's take them out of the package. Maybe you'll see them better. And what I like to do, oh my goodness, if I can, it's super strong, is I like to make one of the cards that are suggested, and then I like to make alternative projects. So I'm super excited about these. And look at these, how glittery they are. They are beautiful. Okay, so here we have our card bases, which are shaded spruce, and the inside is white, so that makes it really great for stamping. Now what you can do is, again, cut these apart, and then you will have 10 card fronts, well, layers, 10 layers. And you can throw in a pack of our basic white cardstock and use that as your base layer and just work with all the components to make your kit go from 10 cards to 20 or maybe even 30. All right, next we have some labels, some die cut labels. Those are beautiful with the silver on them. And some little die cut bands. I think you'd call them bands. Almost kind of like, not a ribbon, but a little, you know what I'm saying. My words don't work anymore. I think I have COVID brain. Oh, and then we have these. Oh my goodness, these are absolutely beautiful. These are card bases, and they're all scored at the center, white inside. And I'm already thinking, what a beautiful layout for some putting some photos on there for some scrapbooking or memory creating or so many things. And this matches so beautifully with the what was the name of that set again? And I know I have it all. Peaceful Christmas Suite. Beautiful, beautiful, because we have designer series paper that looks just like this in a big 12 by 12 size. Oh, and then my little things are falling over. And then we have some more die cuts to punch out very easily. We have 5 sheets of those. Oh my goodness. And then we have some vellum trees. Now you want to be careful whenever you have anything made of vellum, because it's not as fine as tissue paper. It has a little bit more body than that, but these are very delicate trees. So you can see how easy they are to just punch on out. There we go. And you could use this as a mask, really. Not a mask you wear on your face, but for stamping. And look at how beautiful those trees are. Alrighty. Then we have our piece of chipboard, which I use this when I'm stamping my cards because it has a nice little thick layer to it. Make sure you stamp your stamps on here first, just to make sure that any of the manufacturing material that might still be on your stamps from creating them, you ink it up well a few times and stamp a few times just to kind of get them sort of warmed up, right? But it also makes a great surface to stamp on. And then we have our instructions, and notice the instructions are visual. So there's no reading. All you have to do is follow the pictures. So for instance here, they're showing you everything in the kit. And then they show you even the smaller little dots are, let me find one here. Okay, so for instance here on the banner, small little dots are the glue dots. The larger ones are the dimensionals. Okay, and they kind of show you that here. And very beautiful cards. And even along the edge here, they have a ruler. It goes from 1 all the way to 18 inches for measuring your twine for cutting. And there's also a little flyer in here, take your crafting to the next level. Different Stampin' Up! Tools you can add if you are interested in adding them to make your crafting experience even more fun and exciting. So here we are, Get Started. Shows you all the kit components. And there is a little paper pumpkin how-to that you can scan that with your phone. And a few other little samples of what else you might want to do with your card kit. Because these are just suggestions as to what you can create. You certainly can take this and create it to your heart's content, to whatever it is that you would like to create. So I'm going to stop here, and I'm going to go ahead and make the sample cards, and I will try to come back with another video with alternative projects. I'm not sure when that will happen. Maybe today, maybe not. But in the meantime, check out my other videos for Stampin' Up. Another thing is you can even incorporate this tissue paper by making some 3D items and using this to wrap your little projects in. So check out my other videos if you're brand new here, and if you're not yet subscribed, help me out by clicking that subscribe button. Next to that, you'll see a notification bell. Ring that little bell. You'll be notified when I upload new videos, whether they be unboxings, sewing, stamping, paper crafting, machine embroidery. I have a wide variety of different types of crafts I do, and pretty much something for everyone. So subscribe, share, comment, and give me some thumbs up. Let me know you're liking what you see. And I look forward to seeing you back here again real soon. Hope you have a beautiful day. Be safe out there. And thanks for following and joining me today. Bye-bye for now.